AI is pushing compute performance to the limit, and breakthroughs in computing begin with the transistor. To keep pace in the angstrom era, Applied Materials introduces 3 innovations. Viva delivers angstrom-level precision engineering of nanosheet channel surfaces, reducing electron scattering, increasing channel mobility, and enabling faster transistors. Sym3 Z Magnum selectively etches silicon and silicon germanium to precisely shape source and drain cavities, where perfectly vertical walls and rectangular bottoms optimize nanosheet and epitaxial performance for faster transistors. Spectral ALD replaces today's tungsten contacts with molybdenum, an exotic metal with dramatically lower resistance. By cutting resistance where wiring meets the transistor, Spectral enables faster access to the device, accelerating overall chip performance. Together, Viva, Sym3 Z Magnum, and Spectral ALD help customers accelerate their chip roadmaps at 2 nanometers and beyond. Better transistors for AI, faster chips, smarter world. Applied Materials.